Good morning. I'm going to start showing you the math for today. On 326 and 327, you're going to make a bar graph. Make sure you read all of the examples, which is this entire page and even up here. Over here, you're going to be making or finishing this bar graph. You're going to put in zebras and polar bears, okay? So you need to draw this and label monkeys, zebras, and polar bears. Over here, it's saying why is 2 a good scale to use? Your scales are down at the bottom. These are your scales. And the reason 2 is a good scale is because 2 of these numbers are multiples of 2, the 2 and the 8. So that is the answer to that one. When you come down here, you're going to make a bar graph using this information. So you're going to make a graph like this, but using this information, okay? And then when you finish that, you're going to do 6 through 9, which is right here. 6, 7, 8, 9. Do that in your notebook also. You also have a math worksheet to do today. Make bar graphs. You do not have to write about it. You can do it if you want to, but you don't have to. There is a backside, reading bar graphs. So look at this graph and answer the questions, okay? So that is for math today. For English, you're going to need your grammar book. And it's on page 232 and 233, irregular verbs. Read the example, and then what you have to do is choose the correct form of the verb in parentheses. You do not have to write this sentence. Just write number 1 and tell me the answer. It gave me a new idea for a hobby, or it given me a new idea for a hobby. So your answer would be gave. Number 1, gave. So do 1 through 10. You do not have to do this writing application. On 233, it says to review these sentences and change the underlined present tense to the correct form of the past tense. I have eaten many foods. Well, it should be I have eaten many foods. Again, you can just write the number and the answer. You do not have to write the sentence. And then for spelling today, this is our normal spelling words in ABC order. Put these words over here, ABC order. And then you have a backside. These a lot of words with T-I-O-N and S-I-O-N, okay? So the words that end in T-I-O-N, write those here. The words that end in S-I-O-N, write them over here. Real simple. And then for religion, after you do the work in your textbook, which I believe is the Project Disciple pages and the chapter test, and you can also look in your book for the answers. A chapter test, that's kind of like a practice. So when you finish that, get out your Lenten journal. And on the next page, I want you to write, Jesus falls the second time. Lord Jesus, give me the strength to please you, even when my friends refuse to do what is right. So write that on the next page. Also, in your social studies, you're not using your textbook today. I know the lesson plan says the binder. Well, I did not send the binder home. I took out the producers and consumers leaflet, and I just sent the leaflet home. And it should be in that manila packet that I sent. You need to read the whole leaflet today and tomorrow. Just whenever you have time, read through all of that on the producers and consumers. I think that's about all for today. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know and I will help you. Have a good day. Bye.